Okay, so guys, I don't know if this is a prank, but I feel it may not be. That Warri Pikin, decided to make this cute and ever gorgeous video to celebrate her husband on the Father's Day, and then showed up with a baby bump, guys. And the pregnancy was just so looking beautiful on Warri Pikin. I was like, see how pretty she is. I could not believe my eyes. I was like, is she pranking us again? Because I know there was a time she did one skit like that. She wanted to check if she's sick or pregnant, and then doctor ended up saying that it was malaria. I could see the thrill of joy. I laughed out so loud that period. But people were, when I saw this, so many media users were like, how come she was attending shows and all of that? Was she using corset to hide it? Stuff like that. Meanwhile, someone like, maybe those were old shows that she was going then, before she took in and then started nursing the pregnancy and all of that. But me, I'm just interested in congratulations. I don't care when or how she got the pregnancy. This one really fits her very pretty, and the color blending is so charming. I'm telling you the truth. So let's just congratulate her. Congratulations to the family, and then expecting the day she's going to unveil the video of our pretty baby that is coming soon. Do you understand? So guys, you can wish her congratulations since she has shocked us with baby bump. See you guys in my next video.